Moonlight Realty, renting the perfect lunar habitat with Earth views.
Welcome to Moonlight Realty. How can I assist you today?
Hi. I'm looking to rent a new habitation module. I've heard good things about the units in Craterview Heights.
Craterview Heights is an excellent choice. It's known for its spacious domes and breathtaking views of the lunar landscape. Are you interested in a single or multi-module setup?
I'm looking for a single module unit. Something with a great view and good amenities. I've heard there's a unit available with a panoramic Earth view.
Yes, we do have a unit with that feature. It's located on the upper level of Craterview Heights, offering an unobstructed view of Earth. It also has access to the observation deck.
That sounds perfect. What are the details of the unit? How does it handle the moon's conditions?
The unit is equipped with advanced thermal regulation and radiation shielding to ensure comfort. It has a built-in gravity adjustment system, which allows you to set the gravity to your preference.
That's great. How about the interior? What's included in the module?
The interior comes fully furnished with space-efficient modular furniture. It includes a hydroponic garden for fresh produce, a compact but fully functional kitchen, and an integrated air purification system.
Sounds fantastic. I'm also interested in the community amenities. What's available at Craterview Heights?
Craterview Heights offers several amenities, including a communal recreation area with holographic entertainment options, a fitness center with zero-gravity exercise equipment, and a social lounge with panoramic views.
That's exactly what I'm looking for. How do I proceed with the rental?
We can start the application process right now. I'll need some basic information and identification. After that, we can schedule a viewing of the unit and finalize the rental agreement.
Great. I'm ready to get started. I'm really excited about this.
Fantastic. Let's get your details and set up the viewing. I'm sure you'll love living at Craterview Heights.
Thank you, Agent Lee. I'm looking forward to it.
You're welcome. I'll take care of everything. We'll have you settled in no time.
Crater chase lunar police pursuit through dust trails and canyon walls.
Unit 7 to base. We've got a visual on the suspects. They're speeding through the crater zone, heading towards the regolith fields.
Copy that, Unit 7. Be advised, the terrain in that area is unstable. Watch out for any dust eruptions. Roger that. I've got our hovercraft in pursuit mode. We're activating the terrain stabilizers now. What's the status of their vehicle? The suspects are driving a modified hover truck with enhanced propulsion. It's likely equipped with cloaking technology to evade sensors.
Understood? We'll use the thermal scanners to pick them up. Jax, switch to the high-resolution tracking mode and engage the repulsor beams.
Got it. Engaging repulsors now. We're closing the gap. I can see them making a sharp turn around the crater rim. They're trying to lose us in the dust trails.
Be careful around those trails. They can create false heat signatures. Let's use the terrain filters to isolate their actual location.
Unit 7, you've got a clear path through the northern canyon. It's a shortcut to intercept. The canyon walls should provide some cover. We're heading for the canyon now, activating the hovercraft's stabilization field to handle the uneven surface. Let's hope we can cut them off before they reach the outer perimeter.
Affirmative. I see their cloaked vehicle's energy signature intensifying. They're preparing for a high-speed maneuver. Keep the sensors locked on and be ready for any sudden changes.
Understood. We've got them in sight. They're trying to blend into the shadowed craters, engaging the pulse disruptors to reveal their position. Excellent. Be cautious of the nearby seismic stations. They're sensitive to disturbances. We don't want to trigger any false alarms.
Copy that. We're closing in. Initiating the net deployment sequence. Prepare to immobilize their vehicle.
Deploying the immobilization net now. Direct hit on their propulsion system. They're slowing down. Good work, Unit 7. The suspects are now in custody. Proceed with caution and ensure all equipment is secured. Nice job out there.
Thanks, base. We'll escort them back to the central station. End of pursuit.
Heading back. Nice work handling those dust trails, Ren. Thanks, Jax. Let's get these guys processed and check for any damage to the hovercraft.
Stellar date night, floating dining and Earth views in the Habitat Dome.
Hey, Chris. Are you excited for our evening out?
Hi, Mia. I'm really looking forward to it. I was thinking we could start with dinner at that new floating bistro on the edge of the Habitat Dome.
That sounds fantastic. I've heard they serve meals in zero-gravity pods. It must be quite an experience to eat while floating.
It is, and the view from there is incredible. We'll be able to see the Earthrise right through the transparent dome walls.
I can't wait. The last time I was up there, the view was mesmerizing. After dinner, how about we take a walk along the reflective pathways?
Great idea. The paths are lined with bioluminescent plants that light up as we walk. It's like strolling through a field of stars.
That sounds magical. And if we're up for it, we could visit the observation deck afterwards. The Earth view from up there is always breathtaking.
Absolutely. The deck has those huge panoramic windows that simulate different views of Earth, and we can even adjust the lighting to set the mood.
That would be perfect. We could end the evening with a few photos against the Earth backdrop. I've always wanted a picture with the blue planet behind us.
I'll bring my camera, and I'll check if there's any special event or light show happening tonight. Sometimes they have these amazing visual displays.
That would be a lovely surprise. I'm really looking forward to it. Everything sounds so unique and special.
Me too. I'm glad we're spending the evening together. It's going to be unforgettable.
I agree. I'll meet you at the airlock entrance at 7.
7 works perfectly. I can't wait to see you.
See you soon, Chris. Navigating regolith traffic, a crater lane conundrum, and lunar detours.
Hey Liam, can you believe this? We're barely moving on the regolith pathways.
Hi, Zara. I know, it's a mess. The flux gates at the central intersection are down, and it's causing a backup all the way through the crater lanes.
I see that. All the hovercrafts are in a gridlock. I didn't expect the repair drones to cause such a mess. The dust storms must be complicating things.
Definitely. With the low-gravity dust settling on the magnetic repulsors, it's affecting the hovercraft's lift and speed. The new maintenance beams don't seem to be helping.
And with the steep inclines and uneven regolith patches, maneuvering is a nightmare. These paths are so much different from Earth's roads.
For sure. The wide, crater-rimmed corridors were supposed to handle traffic better, but it looks like they weren't designed for this kind of congestion.
Yeah, the paths are built with reinforced composite materials to handle the harsh conditions, but the increased vehicle flow is overwhelming them. I hope we can find an alternate trajectory.
I'm checking the route optimizer now. Maybe we can reroute through the peripheral tunnels. They're less prone to dust buildup and might have clearer passages.
Good idea. And if that doesn't work, there's a bypass around the impact craters that might be quicker, even if it's a bit more rugged.
That's a solid backup. And if we're stuck here longer, we could use the time to explore some of the local geological features. I've heard the view from the old impact rim is stunning.
Sounds like a plan. We could take a detour and set up a portable sensor station while we're at it. Might as well make the best of this delay.
Agreed. And don't forget, the observation dome at the crater's edge has some great views of Earth. If we're stuck, it'd be nice to enjoy that.
Definitely. I'll reconfigure the navigation system to look for that bypass. Let's hope for a smoother journey ahead.
Thanks, Zara. Let's keep each other updated and stay positive. We'll get through this.
We'll do. And if we end up at the observation dome, we'll make it a mini adventure.
Sounds perfect. Talk soon, Zara.
Talk soon, Liam.
Lunar excursion planning the ultimate trip to the northern crater.
Hey Max, are you ready for our lunar adventure this weekend?
Hi, Ella. Absolutely. I'm excited. Have you checked the weather forecast for the trip?
Yes, it looks perfect. Clear skies and mild temperatures. We should have great visibility for our trip to the northern crater.
Fantastic. I've been wanting to see that crater up close. I heard it's one of the oldest formations on the moon.
That's right. It's supposed to be a great spot for observing lunar geology. Plus, there's an ancient research station nearby that we can explore.
Sounds amazing. What's the plan for getting there?
We'll take the new lunar rover. It's equipped with all the latest navigation tech and should make the journey smooth. I've also packed some extra supplies and a few emergency kits.
Good thinking. I've been looking forward to trying out the rover's new terrain analysis feature. It'll be interesting to see how it handles the rough terrain.
I'm looking forward to that too. And don't forget the camera gear. We'll want to document our findings and take some epic photos.
Definitely. I'll make sure to bring my camera and a few extra batteries. We'll need plenty of power for the trip.
Perfect. And we should pack some food and drinks. The trip will take a few hours, so it's a good idea to stay energized.
Agreed. I'll bring some lunar snacks and water. Do you think we'll have time for some stargazing during the trip?
I hope so. The northern crater is known for its stunning night sky views. If we stay until after sunset, we might catch a glimpse of some meteor showers.
That would be incredible. I'm looking forward to the adventure and seeing the crater's interior. It'll be like stepping back in time.
Absolutely. It's going to be a memorable trip. Let's make sure we have everything packed and ready to go.
Sounds like a plan. I'm really looking forward to this. Let's meet at the airlock early on Saturday and get going.
Great. I'll see you then. Here's to a fantastic lunar adventure.
Cheers to that. See you on Saturday. Bye, honey.
Lunar Sports Exchange discussing basketball, moonball, and zero-gravity games.
Hey, Zara. Have you had a chance to try out the new low-gravity basketball court yet?
Hi, Liam. Yes, I did. It's a blast. The low gravity makes the game so different. You really feel like you're floating.
I know what you mean. It's like you have all this extra time in the air to make shots. Have you found any tricks for improving your aim?
Actually, yes. I've been practicing my jumps and figuring out the right angle to shoot from. It's all about adjusting to the reduced gravity.
That makes sense. I've been working on my skills too. The new hoops with adjustable heights have helped a lot. I'm getting better at scoring from all sorts of angles.
Nice. What other sports are popular in Lunaria? I've heard there's a lot of variety.
Oh, definitely. We have lunar soccer, which is played in a large, enclosed arena to keep the ball in play. There's also a sport called moonball, which combines elements of volleyball and dodgeball. It's super fast-paced.
Moonball sounds intense. We've got a few unique sports here in Celine as well. There's zero-gravity volleyball, where players use thrusters to move around, and lunar racing with specially designed hover vehicles.
That sounds amazing. Zero-gravity volleyball must be a challenge.
It takes some getting used to. We use special sensors to keep track of the ball's position. It's all about coordination and timing. Lunar racing sounds like a lot of fun too.
It is. The hover vehicles are designed to handle the moon surface. It's thrilling to navigate the craters at high speeds.
I bet. Sports on the moon really do offer a unique experience. It's amazing how we adapt our games to the lunar environment.
Absolutely. It's one of the things that makes living here so interesting. I'm always looking forward to trying out new sports and seeing how we can innovate.
Same here. Maybe we should organize a friendly match between our two regions. It'd be great to see how our sports styles compare.
That's a fantastic idea. I'd love to. Let's start planning it.
Definitely. I'm looking forward to it. Let's keep in touch and work out the details.
Will do. Talk to you soon, Zara.
Talk soon.